Who knew SpongeBob liked math? Today we're going to do a review, and if you can answer the questions, that's awesome. Just put your answers on the Google Doc. If you find that you still aren't quite sure about the questions, go ahead and watch the short video and then try and answer the questions again. The questions on this page are about parts of the equation of a line and the quadrants. So SpongeBob is pointing to M. M stands for slope. Now SpongeBob is pointing to B. In an equation of a line, we always have a B. That's the y-intercept. Where does that line that you're working with, let's say maybe you have a blue line. Where does that blue line cross over the y-axis? That would be the number for your y-intercept. What quadrants are we in? Well, if we're in the SpongeBob quadrant right here, we're in quadrant 1. Notice all of the numbers over here are positive and all of the numbers over here are positive. So quadrant 1 always has an x that's a positive number and a y that's a positive number. All right, let's hop down to the other quadrant. These are all negative down here, quadrant 3. That's where Patrick is. Quadrant 3, all the numbers are negative. So the x number in your ordered pair is always negative and the y number is always a negative number. Okay, let's hop over to 2. Notice it goes 1, 2. So Squidward is in a really weird quadrant. The x-axis numbers, or the first number in your ordered pair, is always a negative number. But then, if you look on your y-axis, all these numbers are in the plus. 5, 4, 3. So your second number is always positive. So what do you think happens in quadrant 4 where SpongeBob lives, Pineapple Land? Well, notice the x is always the first number in the ordered pair. That's plus. But then your y-axis numbers down here are all negative. So in quadrant 4, the first number is always positive and the second number is always negative. Quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4.